Nick here with McGaughys Suspension. Today I want to talk to you about leveling kits and our 4-inch kit. Many times people are searching for a better ride quality because they already have a leveling kit and it feels stiff, or they have premature wear and tear on the front end components. And we have a 4-inch kit that we want to bring some light to the public on what your gains are with this 4-inch kit versus leveling kits. Leveling kits is a term out on the market, and that usually consists of bringing up the front end between 2 to 3 inches of ride height. Unfortunately, with that term of leveling, it's not a spec that someone can go off of. So a lot of times people start to overstretch the front suspension, and that's where problems start to occur with leveling kits. I want to share some information that are details about the ride height of this truck versus what we see a lot of people facing problems on the leveling kits. The center hub to the fender on this truck on our 4-inch kit is sitting at 28 inches. The significance of that ride height is that right now on our 4-inch kit, this truck is looking at completely flat CV angles, just like you would on your factory truck when it was off the showroom floor. CV angles, tie rod angles, ball joint angles, control arm angles, enough upstroke and droop stroke in your suspension for ride quality and not be maxing out any of these wearables underneath your truck. If you have a leveling kit with a larger tire, I see a lot of guys that are running 37 1250s like this one is, but on a leveled truck with upper control arms. Leveling your truck out isn't a bad thing. But what usually happens is leveling kits get stretched out in ride height and you can't lower them down because you have such a large tire underneath your truck. So I want you to go out, if you're facing problems with your leveling kit and you're not happy with it, again, there's probably plenty of you guys out there that are happy, but here's where we're gonna find where that ride quality starts to hinder. Go out and measure your leveling truck from center hub to fender, and you should probably be around a 27-inch range from fender to center hub. And that would be providing an adequate ride quality, and wearables would be lasting a long time. You shouldn't be facing any problems. If you're within that zone, you should be good. If you're searching for more, then we obviously have our 4-inch kit. But if you went outside and you checked your fender to center hub and you're at 28 inches, 28 and a half inches, that means that you're really stretching out that leveling kit, which means stretching out means that you're overextending the suspension. So when you're going over rough stuff, bumps, speed bumps, your suspension's already maxed out. So it has no droop travel. It's already yanking out at its full capacity of dropout travel. That's where ride starts to hinder, and it's rough, harsh, doesn't really feel good going down the road. You feel everything going down the road, and let alone at those angles at full droop, you start to wear ball joints, tie rods, and other wearables underneath the truck. So to fix this, our 4-inch kit is a great solution. So you can, if you're sitting on a leveling kit at about 28 inches or not higher, you can essentially put our 4-inch kit on, get that same distance of ride height and not change the height of your truck, but fix all those angles, put it back to factory configuration, and gain all the positive features that this 4-inch kit allows you to achieve at the ride height that you're looking to fulfill on your truck. This truck is sitting on 37 1250s, and it has an 18x9 wheel with 5.7 backspace. It sticks in nice and flush towards the fender, so it doesn't stick out. It fits really nice in this wheel well. We don't have any heavy modifications done to the wheel well at all. And that's another great feature as well compared to a leveling kit. Usually leveling kit guys will fit a tire like this, and then they have to delete this mud flap or cut it out, cut the bumper, and do other modifications to make the tire fit. If you're acceptable to that, by all means, totally fine. We're just offering a solution that is next tier option. You don't have to cut up your truck. You don't have to make anything fit, quote unquote, put 15 pounds in a 10-pound sack. This fits perfectly. If you guys have any questions about this setup, how it is compared to what you currently have, you want to run some numbers or whatever have you. I've ran a lot of numbers on this truck of ride height, front and rear, and overall of the truck. We have also fit a factory 20 with a 37 1250 underneath it. We have a whole nother video that's on our YouTube channel. You can search and watch that one as well if that's what you're looking to do. We're more than happy to help you and figure out if this 4-inch kit is something right for you. Again, leveling kits aren't the worst thing in the world as long as they're used properly. And this 4-inch kit is not the best thing in the world if it's overextended as well. If someone's trying to get 7 inches out of it, overextend it, then it's also going to be a bad leveling kit at that point. So a lot of these components, ride height of these trucks usually start to hinder when the suspension is overstretched. We're trying to pitch to you that our 4-inch kit will solve all those problems if you're a stretched out leveling kit. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're more than happy to help you. And if you'd like to buy any of these components, you can reach out to us and find a local dealer to purchase and or install any of our components that we sell for these trucks. Thanks for watching.